Welcome back, Shark Squad. Today we're going to be going over what is sentiment analysis and currency strength in the forex market and how I use it every day, a part of my trading plan. Um, what I have up here is a pound USD chart with a 4-hour time frame and a 50 moving average. When I first start out my day, I usually go onto my FX book. You go to myfxbook.com and you go up here to community and you're going to go down to sentiment. So once you go down to sentiment, this screen will pop up, and to the left here we'll have all the pairs, excuse the ads, Euro USD, Pound USD, so on and so forth. You scroll all the way down, you see all the pairs that are listed to give you the outlook for the day. So if we're trading, like I have up this Pound USD chart, we will go to this Pound USD pairs and hover over it, and we're going to get the readout. So it's going to be read it out in percentage. Right there you see 51% short, 49% long. That's going to be your market sentiment for the day. It also show you how many positions are currently open, which is 14,132 for short and 12,675 for long. It shows onto the charts as well. So like it's 49 versus 51. When you go onto the charts, you'll see like right here it's consolidated. So let's see right here, right, and then get another one. You can see the consolidation right here. So it's a fight between the bulls and the bears here. This is why this market is consolidated and traded in a box right here. Right? You don't see no real trend in this market because of the sentiment. The sentiment is 49.51. So I wouldn't trade this one. I would look for one that's extreme. Like, okay, so we see Euro USD 34.66. I want to be on the short side. I don't want to be on the side where most traders are trading. So most traders are long Euro USD. I want to go short. I want to take the opposite side of this trade, right? So that's what is basically the idea of trading sentiment analysis, is to be on the opposite side of what traders are doing. So if I pull up a Euro USD chart here, you're going to see, look at this, market is trading below the moving average. So we kind of start a trend to go short here. I would say it's going short. Well, whilst the market is showing you that this trend line here, this red trend line that is going short, what are most traders doing on Euro USD? They're going long, right? See the 66% there. They're going long. We don't want to be going against the trend. We want to go with the banks. So we will be looking for trade setups here going short. You could put another one here, and then boom, you have a channel and trade within this channel. You have a cross over the institutional moving average, which is the 50, and you can look for patterns of your choice. Whatever your strategy may be, you can implement it into that idea. Next thing, guys, FinViz, right? We're going to use FinViz to check the currency strength, right, for the day as well. You have to know the market condition for the day, the currency strength, meaning how strong is one pair versus the other that you might be interested in trading that day. So you want to click on forex, and to the top right here you have the 5-minute, the hourly, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly tabs, right? So what we want to do is we want to keep this on daily, right? And what we have here is the currency strength 1-day relative performance pulled up, right? So the strongest currency for today will be USD, right? And the weakest would be Euro NZD, right? Sorry about that. Okay, so once again, USD versus NZD, right? So when you go into the charts, you'll see an extreme condition, right? So Euro NZD, let me pull up the chart to further explain. Euro NZD, and we're going to see it reflected onto the charts. All right, are we correct here? Let's get rid of the ads. Oh, USD NZD. I'm sorry, USD NZD. I got it wrong. USD NZD. Right? That's the pair we need. USD NZD. And let's go down to like a 1 hour time frame, so we can get a better 1 hour, and even better, let's go down to a 15-minute time frame. 15-minute, I would recommend that for day trading, execution wise, not for your final analysis, but execution. So as we can see here, we go back here, USD NZD. USD is the strongest one, so we would be expecting US to be going up, NZD to be going down. So when we trade this pair, we want to be in this direction up, because USD is the strongest. So now we know for the day we will be trading in a bullish bias, right? A bullish bias here, guys. You can put a channel here if you want, or you can just follow this 50 moving average, use that as your support and resistance. I'm not really going to give you a strategy, that's on you, but it's just to give you an idea of market sentiment and currency strength, how we use it in trading the forex market. A simple way of trading would be like just put a trend line break. You see it's bullish for that day, we're going long, you put a counter trend line right here, counter of the trend, and then once it cross, look for an entry here to get in. Maybe you could have got in here and ride this up, put a stop loss behind here or back here for the day. We also have another entry here, counter trend, right? And at the current moment of this market, this is the conditions right here. But you don't have this could be your confirmation, this candle here, to go long again for the balance of the day. It's now 9:46 a.m. Eastern Standard. So at the moment, so I'm not telling you what strategy to use, right? This is not financial advice. Quick disclaimer, you have to pick your own strategy, but you kind of get the idea of the market condition. So you can use any strategy, any patterns you might be using, exhaustion patterns, whatever pattern you use or you studied. You can use this sentiment and currency strength to get the market conditions before you enter your trade for that day. And this stuff works, guys. You have to know your market conditions no matter what strategy you're using. You have to know the market conditions of the day before entering a trade. All right, so hopefully this could have helped someone today. Any questions, comment below, I will answer. And thank you for supporting the channel. This is a new channel, and if you have not done so yet and you're here, just please hit the subscribe button. It helps me out. Hit a like, comment again, and share. Shark Squad 2022, we're taking over. Let's go. Peace. Thank you.